NBC5 First Warning Weather with Chief Meteorologist Tyler Jankowski.
Oh, the days leading up.
Oh yeah, very
Nervousness,
exciting.
yes.
Could be a
Excitement.
snowstorm. Could be a snowstorm on Friday. So, yeah, would be fitting, I think. We don't have that yet. We've got a thaw and don't want to speed over that yet because it'll be enjoyable tomorrow and for Wednesday. But we do have a night in the single digits for a lot of us. At least most will not fall below zero. So tomorrow, a lot of 30s for highs with sun. So it'll feel even better than that because the sun angle's higher. Here's Wednesday, right up near 40 degrees, really nice. But then winter kicks into high gear for Thursday and Friday. It looks like a big round of snow for late week and then a cold weekend. So all of the snow will stick around for quite a while once it falls on the ground. There's nothing on Storm Tracker right now. I've got a mostly clear sky over the region. It is 14 right now in Burlington, and all eyes are on this cold front that comes in on Thursday. So we have the warm spell, and initially it's a little too warm for snow, so some rain, some wet snow early Thursday. But the colder air comes in from Canada, switches things over to a snow, and then a powder snow by Thursday night, and that leads to a moderate to heavy accumulation for most of us. So enjoy the sunshine as we go through tomorrow. There may be a flurry in southeastern Vermont, a little bit of a flow off the ocean, but most of us have the sun. More clouds for Wednesday, and then I think by Wednesday evening there may be some snow or rain across northern New York, but that's just the appetizer. We really have to wait for Thursday and Thursday night for the main event. You'll see that here. Any rain, any wet snow Thursday morning will switch over to snow, and it consistently becomes drier of a snow by later on Thursday. May stay as rain in southern Vermont. We'll have to watch that. Either way, it's less snow as you move way to the south. And the heaviest of the snow is Thursday late into early Friday morning. And then the storm starts to move out. This is 6 o'clock Friday, the back edge coming through Messina. So by midday on Thursday, I think it's largely over with. But with such a transition going on during the day Thursday, the wetness early, the dry, powdery snow late, the roads may ice up under the snow, and then all of the snow adds up and piles up as we go into Thursday night. So it definitely turns into a more favorable snow for skiers Thursday night, more of a dry consistency. And this is why, notice early Thursday, we're above freezing by several degrees, maybe 37 in Burlington. That's early Thursday. By Thursday evening, we're falling into the 20s, and that's how we see the switch over to a drier snow. And look at Friday. The high Friday is probably in the morning, and it's in the teens, so it turns a lot colder. The upcoming weekend will be below zero in the mornings again. So the snowfall forecast does look like a bucket of spilled paint, but it is 6 to 12 inches for the northern half of the region. When you go south of Route 4, south of Rutland, south of Lebanon, it's a lot less, but you have to check back because it's going to be a very sharp change from like 10 inches to nothing as you head south. And I suspect that we might have to tighten that. But for the first call, it's a big storm for the Champlain Valley, for northern New York, and for northern Vermont. So cold tonight, not as cold though as recent nights. Beautiful day tomorrow, and then we have the snow in here for Thursday, especially Thursday night. That's the hardest commute, Thursday p.m. A lot of snow to pick up though early Friday. The sun might come out though by Friday afternoon, and then we have a dry weekend. Brian, Alice?
All right, Tyler, thanks.